Welcome back to Review Car, where we bring you the latest and most exciting cars on the market. Today, we have something special, the 2025 Skoda Slavia, a sedan that blends European sophistication with modern performance. Let's dive deep into its exterior, design philosophy, and what makes it stand out on the road. At first glance, the 2025 Skoda Slavia commands attention with its bold and dynamic stance. The front grille has been redesigned with a more prominent chrome outline, giving it a wider and more aggressive look. The signature Skoda butterfly grille seamlessly integrates with sleek LED matrix headlamps, providing a striking visual appeal while enhancing nighttime visibility. Speaking of lights, the headlamp design features sharp crystalline detailing, a signature touch from Skoda's design philosophy. These not only add to the car's aesthetics but also improve illumination on the road, making night drives safer and more efficient. Moving to the side, the Slavia maintains its elegant yet sporty profile. The character lines flow smoothly from the front fender to the rear, creating a dynamic silhouette. The chrome window surrounds add a premium feel, while the 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels provide a perfect blend of sophistication and sportiness. The Slavia also boasts an impressive ground clearance, making it ideal for urban roads and occasional rough patches. The aerodynamically sculpted ORVMs come with integrated turn indicators, offering both functionality and a stylish touch. Now, let's take a look at the rear. The wraparound LED tail lamps with a crystalline effect add to the premium appeal. The Slavia badge is proudly positioned at the center, emphasizing its identity, while the sculpted boot lid gives it a refined look. The subtle spoiler and bumper enhancements contribute to its sporty character, ensuring it looks as dynamic from the back as it does from the front. Underneath, the Slavia is built on the MQBA0IN platform, specifically designed for Indian conditions. This means a more rigid body structure, improved stability, and a driving experience that balances comfort with agility. The suspension setup is tuned to handle city traffic and highway cruising with ease. So, there you have it. The 2025 Skoda Slavia, a perfect blend of modern European styling and practicality. Skoda has truly taken exterior design and performance to the next level. What do you think about the new Slavia? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Review Car for more detailed reviews. See you in the next one.